So now I have two conductivity meters, and the problem is they're not Pasco, so I might be at part 3 when the Pasco one comes in, which would be the preferred one. And so you've got two here. This one's, the black one's quite an expensive one, the other one not so. And so I'm just putting 10 mils of base sodium hydroxide, 1 molar, and then through the drop counter I'm going to put 1 molar HCl. And in order to cover all the probes, I've had to put about 400 mils, I think it is, or maybe half a litre in a 1 litre beaker. And there's a spinner down there. And so what I've got actually is the cheap one here has got 10 to 400 millisieverts, and the expensive one is 0 to 20 millisieverts. And so what I'm doing now is it is not yet dropping through. I'm just letting it stabilize. And so that's just pure water. So it is within 0 to 20 for the expensive one, and 0 to 400, what is that, millisieverts. So that's in microsieverts right now, that 3817, and the power runs out, which is quite annoying. And so that's 3.6 millisieverts. So you can see one of them's out by 50% or so. So that's reading 1.7, the other one's actually reading 3.3, so it's like one's double the other, but we're just looking for the curves. And so now I'm just adding the 1 molar HCl, and then I'll be able to track the volume of that, just as a double check with the pH curve. So the pH curve is the blue and the volume is the green. And so what I end up getting is this here. And so it's annoying because I have to go back over the video and I stop it every 10 seconds and take time readings, and then I go back to the data logger and I move up and down the graph at those times and take volume readings. But essentially you get very similar curves. You can see these curves look very similar. Should really have let it go at least 5 more drops out before I stopped it for the volume. So I stopped it too early for the volume. And it gets about 7 or 8 mils, and that's sort of, if you can see from the picture of the titration curve, that's about right as well. So it does work, and that's about it, really.